Vanakkam, my name is Priyanka. I studied in a CBSE school from LKG to 12th. From LKG to 10th, I studied in Montfort School. It's run by Gabriel Brothers, and still due to 11th and 12th, I had a great interest to study something or to do something in medicine. I joined in Chalamal Vidyalaya, an integrated school with NEET coaching. 11th and 12th I studied, and these many years my father managed somehow to pay my fees. But during 11th, my father had a heart surgery and my father had a leg amputation, and due to these financially we become very weak. Due to these we borrowed from many people money, and due to that we had to leave our house and went to my auntie's house for my studies. 12th, from there I went to my school. From there I went to the school, but that was a very uncivilized area. We don't even have electricity to study, but I managed to study there, and I didn't even have books. I borrowed books from my friends and studied, and however struggled and got 70% in my 12th. But in my school they don't, because of irregular payments of my fees, they didn't give me 12th certificate, and due to that my father appealed loan in SBI branch, and due to he already availed a loan, personal loan, my father account was uneligible for the loan. So that we met manager sir, and manager sir and I requested manager sir give me a help. So that manager sir came to my school and met my principal, and he made a reduction in my fees. They reduced till 10%. Now actual payment is 95,000. And my father has another problem. He had my mother is second wife of my father. First wife died due to asthma. Still now my father is taking care of that 3 siblings, and this is also a reason for financial weakness. And I am trying for NEET this year also, but I need first of all for certificate to apply for this year NEET, and I am still preparing for NEET with the hope that all people will help me, and I make a promise that I'll repay all the amount which you help me, and I'll be very faithful to you throughout my life. இதான் எங்கள் அப்பா, இதான் எங்கள் அம்மா. எங்கள் அப்பா பேர் பாலசுப்ரமணியன், எங்கள் அம்மா பேர் பி சுகுணாதேவி.
என் பேர் பாலசுப்ரமணியன். நான் ஒரு இருசக்கர வாகனத்தில் செல்லும்போது மாடு ஒன்று குறுக்கே வந்ததால் கீழே விழுந்து ஒரு பெரிய இழப்பு இறந்து விட்டது. வலது கால் முழங்காலுக்கு மேல் இழந்து விட்டேன். எனக்கு எந்த இழப்பீடும் கிடைக்கவில்லை. எனது பெண்ணுக்கு படிப்புக்காக நான் மிகவும் கஷ்டப்பட்டு கொண்டிருக்கிறேன். டிசி வாங்காமல் 1 இயர் வேஸ்ட்டாக இழந்து விட்டேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
வணக்கம். என் பொண்ணு இதுதான் என் கணவன். படிக்கிறதுக்கு ஏழவில்லை, காலங்களுக்கு இழந்துட்டேன். அதனால் படிக்கிறதுக்காக நான் வணக்கம்.
தேங்க்யூ.